Ready to supercharge your banking experience and finally make your money work exactly the way you want it to? We're talking about Monzo, and specifically, the power hidden beneath the hood, their API and developer tools. If you've ever wished you could connect your bank account to a custom spreadsheet, build your own budgeting dashboard, or even link your spending to a fun side project, then this is for you. So, what is the Monzo API? API stands for Application Programming Interface, and in simple terms, Monzo's API is a set of rules and protocols that lets your own software talk to your Monzo account securely. Think of it as a trusted bridge. It allows developers, that could be a huge company, or just you in your bedroom, to access and work with your own account data, like transactions, balance, and pots, without ever needing your full login details. Monzo has done a fantastic job of making this accessible. The developer tools center around the Monzo Developer Portal. This is your mission control. First, you sign up, which securely links the portal to your Monzo account through an email and in-app PIN approval. Once you're in, you create what's called an OAuth client. This client is essentially your application's identity. It gives you a unique client ID and a client secret, the keys that authorize your app to request data. The cool part is the API playground. This is a sandbox environment where you can test out different API calls in real time using your own anonymized data, giving you instant feedback and helping you learn how everything works before you write a single line of code. What can you actually do? The possibilities are really only limited by your imagination. You can read data to build custom tools, think a program that automatically categorizes your transactions in a hyper-specific way, or a desktop widget that always displays your current balance. You can also use webhooks. These are automated notifications that Monzo sends to your app every time a transaction happens. This is how you build truly real-time applications, like an app that flashes a light every time you use your card, or one that auto-posts a fun emoji to a group chat when a joint account transaction clears. Monzo also provides extensive documentation, breaking down exactly how to authenticate, how to call specific endpoints for things like listing your accounts or seeing transactions, and importantly, how to follow all the security rules, like keeping your client secrets safe. They do have a critical safety note. The Monzo Developer API is primarily for personal use or with a small, whitelist group of users. It's not meant for building huge, public-facing applications. For that, Monzo has its separate open banking API, designed for licensed financial service providers. But for your personal projects, the Developer API is perfect. It's all about putting your data in your hands and giving you the tools to innovate. It's a huge step beyond just viewing your finances in an app. It's about actively programming them. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.